Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cooking temperatures. Sear the rib roast for 15 minutes at the higher oven temperature, 450 degrees F, then turn the oven to the lower temperature, 325 degrees F, for the rest of the cooking time. Every 1/2 hour, baste the cut ends of the roast with the fat accumulated in the roasting pan. Do not cover the roast.
Take our lead.
Put the roast on a rack, or on top of some carrots, celery and sliced onion, which will flavor the drippings nicely, in the roasting pan, and add just a little water to the bottom of the pan. It shouldn't touch the meat.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Adding water to the bottom of the roaster oven before cooking defeats the purpose of the unit, as its function is to roast, not steam, the food. During cooking, juices released by the bird or roast drip to the bottom of the cooking pan and are recycled as they travel up and around during the evaporation process.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Do not add water or liquid and do not cover the roast. Covering the roast would result in more steaming than roasting in the oven, so we cook a beef roast uncovered. Ideally, the roasting pan sides should be 2 to 3 inches high. If you don't have a roasting pan, place an oven-safe wire rack inside a 13 by 9 inch baking pan.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.